Yeah. And not just one room I do. And I like some do the whole room. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Baby, I'm money no girl. I'm tired, you're tired. You couldn't tired, so. Our time of night. Here what? But I'll make you finish that and then you can go for your job. Like how early. Hours a morning. I'll make you go for your go and go run. And that's if you do. Make sure you put on something warm, you know, girl. Make sure you put on something warm. You see your rotted pool? Bumbuckler, that was a serious mansion, that, you know. Where you go? Shall run around our mansion for your jog. Pussy blood clot, the girl house big so till. She can run back and forth in our house and go for your jog. Well, lucky camera pan you. Bam, see it there. So we can follow her. Bitch. When I tell us if you follow you. See it there. Bam. And I'm going that way she a go. Out in them cool, yeah. And you know, no jacket. That's how girl feel live nice. Oh, you mean? Me jogging at my house to get exercise. What with the girl like? What's him? What going? Oh, she want beard. She want beard. Girl. Now that if you do, you should have beard before you. Oh. She run. Me want to know which part you go. That me want to know. Reach back our yard. Go and go beard, girl. Cause you rank. Big up yourself, Lavish. Make sure you go follow Lavish. Watch out. Girl, if you camp out, I do it, you know. I wish you go. Where's shower there? Me want to see this your ratted shower. Yo, I want a ratted house, this, you know. Me I forgot build a closer bathroom. Every corner I forgot have a bathroom. Cause the way how the mansion stay. Me I forgot put a bathroom in every corner. What's that? And so far she forgot? No, me just get the mansion here for her. She not live with nobody. Trust me, I'll get her one woman. Cause she love girl. I get her one woman. Oh, where you go? Where you go? Oh, she going to eat up. She go down in the tub. Alright. Alright, mama. See it there. Yeah, man. You can a rotted tub there. candle and thing. Girl, your bossy. She want beard. She want beard. You know, she said the girl. I'm sure I don't know. What you want to do? I need you to go out. User. Let me see if you're hungry. You know, say you not do your homework. Alright, so here what we're gonna do. Y'all go sleep. Cause you have to get up and go to school in the morning. Alright. You know, and then we're and saying, go on, girl. When are you in bed? What do you mean? Who broke your heart? So all of a sudden you can't go run it up? Pussy blood clot. The plants in the bathroom now is more that they more attract bugs. Yeah. You can't just plant it with lavender and thing. Lavender good fit inside of the house. What you call it? Rosemary and them thing. Here what? Me I forgot fix this car. She tell me say she can't. She tell me say she can't move. Alright, so here what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put them here up here so. Delete that, cause we don't need that. Movie plant them. Cause she tell me say she can't come out. Cause I plant them have her locky into pussy clot. Alright, bam, look on your mansion have a bathroom. Pussy clot, girl, I see you live nice. Alright, like how me there and thing, I'm gonna fix up that bedroom here. I don't know what kind of rug they say them a do. I don't know where them say them a do, yeah, so. All the lights so ugly. Ugly. Where the fuck can I say on there, so? Come on, delete all of that. Everything. Every mumarass thing. Delete that. All the light too. Hate them lights, yeah. Ugly as fuck. Alright, I'm gonna leave this car. I like how this set up here, so. Oh, look, watch out. Look at rotted picture. Pussy clots. True, she not even know. We're gonna change up every pussy clot thing, people. Alright, we're gonna put the TV. Put one nice TV here, so. I'm gonna put in some speakers. I like that little radio here. Call down death. Alright, what else who wants? One little game. Come like that little game, something here. She can't play our game. I'm gonna put the little dots, something here, so. So, if she want, you know, do that, she can do that. I like how them have the terror deck. Card them, so I put the terror deck card them, cause she one of them girl. I good I'll make her study death and them thing there. Me see what she feel. Alright. We're gonna put one game here, so. No, that not fits. That can't go. Alright, since we can't put that this, so we're gonna put one of them here. I'll put one of them area, so if anybody want to play and can play, Whole heap of game. Alright, this is too close. Bam. Not too close. So we'll back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Cause we enough want the fire fi burn down. Nothing. Alright. Like how we have that. I'll give her some things to do. She needs something to do. Cause she can't just sit down in the house and not do nothing. She needs skills. Must can't sew something. Alright. She wants a bar. Alright, good. I'll put a bar here, so. Put a bar here, so. Boom. So when she come in, she can just grab herself one nice little drink. And then when I think, this is one of the bedroom. Then me not even know why the bedroom here is so rascal big. She couldn't live in a... 3 people couldn't live in that room here. 3 people couldn't live in that blood clot mansion here. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to split this in a 2 room. I'm going to split this in a 2 room. Yeah, we'll split this in a 2 room and left one like a hallway. Yes, sir. So, if anybody want to go down the hallway, then can go down to feed them room. So, I'm going to left one like a hallway. Yes, sir. And then I'm going to lock off. I'm going to lock off the room. So, bam, and then this your space just open up to you. So you see that architecture. Alright, yes, rich people love bar in a house and winery. You know see it, girl. You know see it. Me I build my house, you know, more time. When me dep on the Sims people, me usually use Sims for design my house and design any property where me actually build for my land. So me use Sims as a way for design certain things. Big up on yourself. A sauna, a spa area could have cooled. Yeah, girl, don't see it. It look like something I'm gonna put one sauna. Big up on yourself. Chef Oaks, big up yourself, darling. Nakwan, big up to everybody who are tuning. Miss Dominique. Is that my favorite lady? My favorite Trini Tobago. Alright. We'll just chop that room here. We'll chop that room here in a half. Bam. So we know say I'll put a door. I'm gonna change up a door then. Some door will have down here. I like the door here. Look official. Alright, the door this you know. Put the door them side and side. Bam, see it. You can go in at the room then. Alright. Like how we're gonna change up the color in the room. We want to put back the hallway if you match the rest of the room. Bam, like how the hallway match everything now. Make we change up it. Sometimes the tile them look good, you know. And sometimes I want the room them to look different, you know. I like this. Alright, we're gonna do it that way then. We'll do it that way, yeah. That's our one room. Like we'll go to the next room. I'm gonna just do something different in another room here. Banana leaf. Bam. Alright. How are this? Hold on. Wait there. Hand tool. Pussy clots. Watch out. All the room them have them window. In there. Them have that. Yo, I be a richness this, you know. You can't tell me say this on a rich life. Watch the blood clock. All the clock fancy in a blood clot. Alright. Be a rich girl life this. What you mean? Yes, girl. I saw me do it. Whenever lavish, I saw me do it. Me use it for help me program. I set out when me are doing a Jamaica, so I can get it right, dimensions right, layout of the land correct. Then we are thing, you know. Yeah, man. You have to put little food in my belly paper. Alright. I come have little food in my belly now. I can start out this. Big up to everybody who are tuning. Queen Lovely, Shola Skincare. Welcome to my Sims game. Outside playing in the rain. Double tap up the screen, Betty Boo. Go on. Big up to everybody who are tuning. Give me a second, them. I just wipe off my hand them. Yes, all right. All right. I don't know if you want to see my face or not, but either way, you can see little bit. Alright, big up on yourself. Thank you for everybody who are top of it. Jamaica is a perfect place. Nice house plus Jamaica. Yeah, girl. Me use my Sims game to plan out everything when I do down a yard. Me just use it as example to say, alright, I saw. Alright, I go to the bedroom now, because it's a bedroom where I set out. I want my people for well comfortable when them come in at this room. So here what we are gonna do. We'll put the bed long way so we can make sure we'll leave a space there in the room. All the little end table them. Put some black one there, so I'll put it over the side of the corner. Want a chester jar. I put something nice and fancy, beer niceness, the girl to live in what you mean? I'll put this over here, so in the corner. She don't need no. She just need one mirror. One mirror for you look down, you know. Alright. I want a rug now. I like this. Fancy door. I want something bigger than that. Rotted. No man, we no must can do better. I want rotted something more. All this too. This not bad too, you know. I see look like say a step out the ancient times. Alright. We're gonna get it. Big up on yourself, double tap up the screen. Chef Oaks, big up to Queen Lovely, big up to Lavish, big up to Togga, big up to everybody who are tuning in. Thank you for the gifts them. There so I cancel off of this because I want to know if you actually see the game. And then I need to see my face. Yeah. Alright, I could go down in the study now. She want a desk, I want a computer in the desk. Watch her. Bare fanciness, bare niceness, you know. Good girl, hungry for know niceness. Bam. I want a rotted laptop. Where candle them there? Where candle them there? Alright, I like this. This nice. This nice. Put it on your dresser. What? Can't go up on the dresser. Oh, yeah, go on, so. Yeah, move, so. Alright, we put it here, so. Light up our room with candlelight, because you know, so we are doing sexy tea. And then we are there. Woo! Yes, sire. We'll put one library right here, so she can read in her room. Alright, what else? We want to put something else. Yes, sir. For her to learn. Because you're always an educational woman. Oh, no, we don't need that there, sir. I'll put a book. I'll put a book here, sir. You must can read. I'll put on a special book right there, sir. What else? She have everything, yeah? I put one chair. Come on, want to pack up your room, you know. I want to pack up your room with one bag of sitting, you know. I'll just put one chair so she can sit down and read her book if she don't want to sit down on her bed. We black. We want a black chair. Black. Straight, so. Bam. I see it there. One chair she can just sit down. Big up on yourself. Thank you for the likes, them. Thank you for the love. Big up on yourself, people. Continue for double tap up the screen. Alright, that's a fair room. Yeah, that's a fair room. Yeah. Yeah, man, she good for that. She don't need no more than that. Peace and safety. Alright, see you next room, yeah, so when I guest room then, because you're what? People, this was all one bedroom, you know. I say to myself, say, I waste a space that, you know. Better me just chop it and turn it in a 2 room. BVK, Tugger, Lavish, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? So I say, make me put it 2 room then. Alright, so I go back to bed them now. I'll put one of a different bed them in here some. Let me see the background. Because you know, so we have to match up your furniture. Oh, it's a pink. It's a pink room me did though. So it's a pink bed me I put in that blood clot. I mean. Alright, so because we want to make sure we maximize the space of the room, we turn it long way like how we did do the other bed. So that way it can have whole heap of space. But the room here a little bit. So what we're going to do is, we'll put the desk over here. We'll put a laptop over here so too. Because we want her to. We want a person here to. You know? I'll put some candle there so. Light up the place. I'll put one dresser in here. I'll put one dresser in there. First me I gotta do this. Yeah. Bang. I'll put the dresser here so right behind this. Alright, watch out now. I set some more candle on the place because we light up the place with the candle then. No, we don't need that. Candle we say. Alright. We want a dresser now. We want a chest of jar. See it there? I'll put the pink one. Right side of the saw. Yeah. I see one glass so she can look on her pretty self. Give her one glass for her to look on. Bam. See it there now, people. Big up on yourself. Thank you to everybody who are tuning in. Badam Boje, ESK, ESC. Alright, so like how we have a dresser now. I'll put one library in there. Bam! See it there. Yes. Alright, come now, people. Gonna this chair them in there. Bam. Bam, you see it. What you mean? Because people have a skill. I don't want a bar, the bar. You know what I want? She want a pink one. I want a pink one because that's the pink room. I put one of them here in your son so that you then can learn to tattoo and practice. Alright, like how we have a candle in the place. Matter of fact, we'll delete this. Because we are going to put more candle. And then, them can always do that in the workroom. Down in the work. In the area where she got her little. I don't even know where I got. Alright. So, we need one good light for over so to hang down. One good light to hang down here, so. I'll put this right here so to light up the place. Bam, see it there. Alright. We need some light against them wall here. And through my light the candle them. It's not bad still, you know. It's nice. I like this. I like how this still. I'll put it like them, yes sir. Down the long road here, the long walk here because I know more time when I'm walking at the dark they're afraid. Alright. See like them there so. Bam. So see it here people. Look up on yourself. Thank you to everybody who are tuning in. Thank you for the likes them. Queen, look up to everybody who are tuning in. So, me there also I match up the mansion here for one of my Sims them. She just move in a one rotted mansion. Just moving a one rotted mansion, yes sir. So, through the room did too big for one room. I decided to make a choppy. So like how me choppy now. A laptop there out there so to pussy claw. Watch out. True me go choppy now, right? Me go put one little living room area where them can come near and drink and play and all them something here. See the bar over here so they can watch one little film or play a game and them thing there. Then me chop it and put 2 bedroom there so. So see 2 bedroom there so. And them have them own a library and everything with them would need. All laptop and this and all them something here. I'm a create a hallway go down here so and you can come over here. So see one of the main bathroom here. A rotted bathroom this you know. So one of the main bathroom here. Now we're going over here so. It's our next living room. No, I want bedroom this. The pussy clots. Yeah, I want bedroom this. Okay. Alright, we can get rid of them here. Because we don't need this baby something here. And we can put up one TV here, so. Da, 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 da. Yeah, man, we can put up one TV here, so. How that? How was just something this, sir? Alright, like how we reach down in this next bedroom. One ratty bedroom this, you know. We don't need so much Chester draw to pussy clad. What you do with so much Jessa? Jessa this, Jessa that, Jessa pussy clad. We don't need so much Jessa. We're gonna put a this. We're gonna put a computer. I like to make sure everybody have a computer. I like to make sure everybody have a blood clot computer and this and them thing. Because I don't want nobody to run and have trouble in brethren because I want to use a laptop. Alright, we're going to put it this in there. I'm going to put one of them chair. Yeah man, you have your one or two. I'm gonna need a library for you. So I look a library or so. Just move over here just so. Bam. See library there so. So you can do this so with you. Why so much blood clot light in that place here? Well, I'll put my library or so.